Let's start!
For Kesar Peda we need milk powder, powdered sugar. We added some saffron strands into milk, some ghee, and cardamom powder. And add ghee in it. Add milk. Stir it. Add powdered sugar. And stir it. Boil the milk. Add milk powder in batches. Make sure that there are no lumps. Stir it frequently. Add saffron milk. And stir it. Stir it frequently so it won't burn. Add cardamom powder. Stir it until we get a thick and nice mixture. Our mixture is getting thicker. Look at this creamy texture. Our mixture is ready. Pour it into a plate and let it cool down.
Take a small ball and roll it. Gently press it.
Roll it and press it gently. Make our pedha all like this. You can decorate with any kind of dry fruit.
It's so yummy.
You can make this dish in any type of occasion. It's really good.